Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am Amjad Ali here, Head of Science Department in Pak Shama School, Doha, Qatar. I am working here in Doha, Qatar from last 25 years and we are discussing fundamentals of chemistry. I already upload two lecture, part 1, part 2 and today we are going to discuss part 3. First of all, I want to give you the preview of the last two lecture which was on same topic fundamentals of chemistry, and today we will discuss inshallah the next. First preview of the previous two lecture is I explain you in the start the historical background of the chemistry, then definition of chemistry, definition of matter, basic unit of matter that is atom, then atomic number, number of electron or number of proton present in an atom is called atomic number, then mass number, number of proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom, mass number. Then we have also discussed in lecture number 2 elements, periodic table, duplet rule, octet rule and ions as well. So today we are going to discuss the next. Here I want to explain you again in detail how cations are formed. As I already told you, the element present in the periodic table, if they lose the electron, to get the electronic configurations of the noble gases, they will get the positive charge. And positively charged ion in chemistry may also be called cation. Here I give you some example. Like for example, the famous one is the sodium. Look at there, sodium atomic number is 11 and it has total 11 electron, 2 in first shell, 8 in second shell, and in third shell there is only a 1 electron. If it lose this 1 electron, its octet will complete and it will get the electronic configuration of noble gas. So it will lose 1 electron. After losing this 1 electron, it will get positive charge and now it will be sodium ion. Sodium ion Na plus 1. It is one example of a formation of cation. As regard of anion, non-metals gain electron to get the stability, to get the electronic configuration of the noble gases. They gain electron. Non-metal gain electron and form negatively charged ion, and these ions may also be called anion. For example, the chlorine, it's a famous one. Its atomic number is 17. In first shell 2 electrons, second shell 8 electron, and then 7 are in its outermost shell. If it gain one more electron, its octet will also complete, and then it will form chloride ion, that is anion. So it is the one famous example of a formation of anion. Now here I want to explain you how a ionic bond is formed. Once anion and cation is formed, cation having negative charge, cation having positive charge, anion having negative charge, and these two oppositely charged ion, if they come close to one another, so they must have a force of attraction. This force of attraction is called ionic bond. So anion and cation have oppositely charges. So they attract one another by a force of attraction, that is electrostatic force of attraction, and this force of attraction is called ionic bond. So look at sodium ion and chloride ion. Due to oppositely charged particles, they come close to one another and they combine and form a ionic compound. Sodium chloride is a ionic compound and they have a force of attraction and it is called ionic bond. Ionic compounds, all those compounds which have ionic bond, they are called ionic compounds. Sodium chloride is best example of ionic compound. Some more examples I can give you, like for example, sodium chloride, I already told you, it's a famous one, table salt that we are eating. It may also be called rock salt. And sodium fluoride, it is another example of a ionic compound. Whenever metal combine with non-metals, there will be ionic bond and these compounds will be called ionic compound. Look at sodium. Sodium, it lose one electron, it has plus one charge. Now it is positively charged ion. And fluoride, it also belongs to same group of the periodic table like chlorine, seventh group. It also require one electron to complete its outermost shell. Its atomic number is 9. So in first 2 and then 7. So it also gain one electron to complete its octet. So it gets negative charge. Same like that chlorine. And now after getting the charge, after completing their outermost shell, sodium become Na positive, fluoride become Cf minus. So they come close to one another and form a ionic compound. Sodium fluoride is also the example of ionic compound.